In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an idea on Mymind. Let's dive right in to make this process as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to open your web browser and type in mymind.com. Once you're on the website, the next step is to log into your account. Mymind offers you flexibility here, as you can choose to log in using either your Google account or your Apple ID. For this demonstration, let's proceed with using a Google account. Click on the Google option and it'll prompt you to select your Google account. Simply choose the one associated with your Mymind account and you'll be seamlessly logged into your dashboard. Now that we're on the dashboard, we can start exploring the ideas you've saved. Look over your collection and identify the specific idea that you want to share. You might have a variety of items here, from images to notes or even entire projects. Once you've pinpointed the idea you'd like to share, go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a pop-up window showing the details of your selected idea. In the lower right corner of this pop-up, you'll notice a Share button. This feature is key because it allows you to create a private link for your chosen idea. Go ahead and click on that Share button. By doing so, a private link will be generated that you can use to share your idea with others. It's important to note that this link is temporary, as it will only remain active for 24 hours. So be sure to inform your recipient about the time frame, ensuring they access the idea within this period. And there you have it. It's a simple yet efficient way to share your creative sparks using Mymind. This feature is not only useful for personal sharing, but also for collaborating with others on projects, giving them a glimpse into your thought process and creativity. As you continue to explore Mymind, remember that having this ability at your fingertips allows for seamless communication and idea sharing with those who matter to you. I hope you found this guide helpful. By following these steps, you should now be equipped to easily share your ideas using Mymind. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching and happy sharing on Mymind.